Mark Higdon. This is the Photoshop video 2 for FN 341. This will walk you through and show you how to change the colors in the floral design that you just created in the first video. So when developing product for apparel, I always think about, when I'm changing colors, think about the most important or most color that's most appearance is visible. So that generally serves as the ground. So I'm going to select the ground layer first and change that color, because that will certainly change the impression of the colors in our motif. So for this, to select the ground color, I'll go to Select All, and that will put the marquee around all of the colors. I'll pick myself a new color. This time I'll do something that's a little more pink. And that should change in that foreground color box that you're working on. So I'll use that to change the ground. Go to Edit at the top, come down to Fill. You're using the foreground color. Click OK. So that has changed the color of the ground. Okay. To deselect that, you can come up to the top and do Select, Deselect, or the shortcut is Apple or Command D. Then come up to the flowers layer. To select the colors in your flower, I work with this tool that's the fourth tool down, called the Magic Wand. It's the W key on your keypad. It's the third tool down in the option. At the top, make sure that contiguous is unchecked. Left click on the center of the flower, and it should pick up that same color in every area. If it isn't picking up that color, make sure that you're working on the flowers layer, that you're not still on the ground layer. Okay? Then pick yourself a new color for the flowers. Again, come up at the top and do Edit Fill. And you're working with the new color that's in the foreground box, so that's what you want to select here. Click OK, and it should have changed the color in the center of the flower. Okay. Then do a Command or Apple D or Deselect under Select to get rid of the marquee tool around those areas. Then use the Magic Wand on your flower color. So I'll select the petal on the outside, pick myself a new color. Let's see here, I'll do something that's a little bit more to the blue. And do Edit Fill again. Click OK, and you've now changed the colors on the outside. Come up to the top and do Select, Deselect. Then use the Magic Wand again on the green in your leaves. Pick yourself a new color. Do Edit, Fill, and click OK. Then do a Select, Deselect. And so now you've created a whole new colorway. You could always go back and continue to work with the Magic Wand and change any of these colors. So as I save this, I'm now going to do a File, Save As. And because it's a new colorway, I'm going to add the number 2 to this so I don't overwrite my first flower design, and click Save. So the next video I'll create will walk you through in terms of how to create a pitch sheet and how to fill your sketch in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions on creating a little design, always feel free to email me. Thank you.